Can scoliosis cause urinary issues? And the reason it can is if there's significant rotation of the bones at the base of the spine, and this is especially true in an adult scoliosis where maybe the nerves are already somewhat compromised because of arthritic changes in the spine, then those nerves that are going from the spinal cord to the bladder can get irritated and can cause urinary problems. And we see this especially in older women who will come in and they'll have gut problems associated with the scoliosis, urinary tract problems associated with the scoliosis, this sort of thing. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.